Hello, this is the TradeSite U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Wednesday, the 19th of June, 2019. Two really annoying days. We'll talk about it, especially when we look at the NASDAQ futures. You'll see how, or the NASDAQ chart, you'll see how it went for the day. A gap up and then a little higher for 20 minutes, and that was it. It's not tradable the way that this is playing out. So we've had the two-day Fed meeting has started out. Wednesday is the Fed announcement. And we also are in the middle of triple expiration week, which means Wednesday or Thursday should be options unraveling. We will see if we get them. Here's a look at the ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart of the broad market and futures form. You cannot make up the fact that the high of the session was the static trend line, the green line from the last move down. Let's go through the daily charts of the majors and then go from there. Here's a look at crude oil down or up 13 cents. Again, it's kind of just a blip to 54.03, gold down $2.10, but still near the highs. S&P cash up 28.08, but again, it was a big gap for most of it. The NASDAQ 100, even more of a gap, up 108.88, but most of that was a gap. SOX up 58.30, not near highs at all. Russell 2000 up 17, hasn't done anything for months. The VIX down 20 cents. The trend closes at 0.69. That puts the 10-day moving average at 1.01, which does not matter. It's not a reading for us. NASDAQ volume somewhere between 2.1 and 2.2 billion shares. At the close, advanced decline ratio on the NASDAQ was plus 1278, so way more stocks up than down on the New York plus 1277. Google gains $11.35. Apple up 456. Netflix up 650, but hasn't gone anywhere all year. Amazing. Amazon up 15.37, still not near highs. Tesla down 29 cents. Not looking good at this point. Facebook down 54 cents. Goldman Sachs up $4.15. Tesla gained 66 cents. Dow Jones up 353. All right, in terms of intraday action, here's the ES. You can see the gap up, the push. Tried one more time before lunch, and the rest of the day was dead flat. But the real story here is the NASDAQ, and this is what's interesting. Let's look at the NASDAQ futures. So we had a small gap up on Monday and then a push for about 20, 30 minutes. Dead flat the rest of the day. Big gap up on Tuesday, a push for 20 minutes. If you look at it from Friday's close around 7,500 to the high of 7,700 or so just over early this morning, the entire 200-point move is between two gaps plus 30 minutes or less at the open both days. That is remarkable. You don't see that much. It is a waste of time from a trader's perspective. It is what it is. Can't get around it. We got that Fed meeting coming up. Let's hope that that leads to something. All right. In terms of economic data, look, there's not much here, and it doesn't matter. Wednesday is crude oil inventories, an hour in, and then the Fed announcement at 2 and the press conference at 2:30. Somewhere in here, we're going to try to sneak in some options unraveling. And that is it. Charts, as usual, brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading Wednesday.